welcome to my cropped crochet granny square cardigan. I hope you like it. For this cardigan you will need 16 granny squares, approximately 6 inches wide. I used a 7mm hook and an Aran weight yarn. You will need your 4 granny squares for your front panels, 2 on each side of your cardigan, and we're going to single crochet them together. If you're not sure how to single crochet squares together, I will show you in the next clip. So for the back of the cardigan you'll need 4 of your squares, and we're going to single crochet them together. To crochet pieces together, I find it best to fold them in half with the right sides facing out, wrong sides facing in. And we're going to use our Aran weight yarn, and we're going to insert our hook into the first corner, yarn over, pull through and pull through again. Now we're going to single crochet the 2 pieces together, yarn over, hook through the 2 squares and the first 2 hoops, pull through again. Now you're going to carry on single crocheting the 2 squares together, and we're going to go across to the next 2 squares. Once you get to the end of your squares, we're going to pick up the next 2 squares. So fold them over the same as the first 2, right sides facing out. And now we're simply going to carry on into the first big gap of your squares. So hook in, yarn over, pull through and pull through quite tightly to close the gap, and then carry on to the end of your squares. So now we're going to repeat this process to close the middle of the cardigan by single crocheting it together. Next we're on to the arms. We're going to need another 4 squares for your arms, and we're going to crochet, single crochet them together, similar to what we have been doing. So now we're going to single crochet our arm pieces together. It's the same process as the back piece, but we'll be going down the one side of the arm and then the other side of the arm and across the middle. So now we're going to repeat on the other side of the arm by single crocheting the 2 pieces together. And now once we've done this, we're going to do a single crochet across the middle of the arm to close the gap. Now I'm going to fold my work in half just to make it a bit easier to pick up. We're going to go across the 2 arm pieces, and we're going to work our way all the way around, single crocheting in each stitch. So now we're going to piece our work together. We've got the back panel that we're going to turn upside down. Then we're going to place the front panels on top on each side. Now we're going to single crochet across the tops and across the bottoms, leaving a gap for the arms. Now we're going to place the arms just so you can see where we're going to single crochet then, and repeat on the other side. So this is what the cardigan looks like so far without attaching the arm. I've just gone across the tops and the sides, and next I'm going to place the arms on and single crochet around the outside of the arms. So next I'm going to do the cuffs of the arms, and for the first round I'm going to double crochet in each stitch. arm, and to do this I'm going to double crochet in front of your first double crochet and behind of the next double crochet, and I'm going to repeat this all the way around. So we're picking up the double crochet around, and now we're picking it up from behind. We're going to repeat this process all the way around. To create the collar edge by double crocheting around the edge, and the same with the cuffs. To create my edging, my first round will be 1 double crochet in each stitch. Where I will be double crocheting in front and behind of the posts, which just means in front and behind of each double crochet, similar to what we did with the cuffs. So we're chaining 3, yarn over, pick up the second double crochet in front, and now we're going to double crochet behind, and then we're going to repeat this all the way around, and I think I've done about 4 to 5 rounds. If you wanted to make this cardigan bigger, you could extend the back panel by doing the granny square stitch a couple of rows either side to make your back panel slightly wider. I hope you liked this video. This cardigan approximately fits a size 10, 12, possibly a 14, and like I said, you can extend the sides before you attach them if you wanted to make it slightly larger.